Advice that will improve your affiliate marketing strategies. Affiliate marketing is a subject where you can keep on expanding your information on and keep on applying that knowledge. It doesn't matter if you are new or old to affiliate marketing, the more you learn is beneficial to you. In this video there are plenty of tips that you should find informative about affiliate marketing. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to know your audience. You need to understand your readers' needs and what they may be looking for when they come to the site. Make sure that the ads you post are things that your audience would be interested in, or they will not click on them. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, make it easy for your reader to draw out the information they want. Avoid complicated terms or technical jargon, keep your paragraphs short, and use bullet points whenever possible. Readers are more likely to scan your review quickly and make a decision than they are to read through a lengthy video. Let your visitors and readers know when you're using affiliate marketing. They usually will give you a positive result. Honesty builds trust with your readers and can help bolster your affiliate marketing efforts. They will respond better to your links because of your honesty. When getting involved in affiliate marketing, it's important to work with an affiliate company that has products you truly believe in and would be happy to promote and sell. Having a broad base of affiliates will generate more income than having just a few. However, you should be picky with which affiliate programs you decide to work with. Make sure that they offer products and services that you are comfortable selling. Pick a high-quality product. If you recommend a product that is of poor quality, it will reflect back on you as a promoter. The last thing you want people to believe is that you purposely recommended a product that doesn't work. If you wouldn't trust it, don't ask your readers to. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for companies that offer front-end as well as back-end commissions. This will allow you to earn multiple commissions from each customer that you refer to the affiliate company's site, and allow you to develop a long-term relationship with your affiliate company. With all of this information you have just read about, you should have learned some new tips about affiliate marketing. Just remember to always keep an open mind to learning new knowledge, and to not be afraid to use that new knowledge. The tips you just learned should help you with affiliate marketing, so don't neglect these tips when trying to be successful. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.